Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As soon as we reach mental maturity, we are faced with two tough and perpetual trials. One relates to the heart and one to the eye. At times, choices have to be made every second. The sequence is relentless and needs tremendous willpower, which only a strong relationship with God can provide. In the trial that relates to the heart, a person is faced with the ordeal of lending ear to the calls of his conscience. If it is vibrant and alive, good and evil are innately found in his nature. He does not need any external help to distinguish between them. However, help and push is certainly needed to make the right choice. That a person prefers good to evil at most instances is not easy at all. It is indeed an exacting trial. So, as good human beings, we have to lend our ears to the calls of our conscience. The second trial relates to the eye. In this trial, a person must guard his gaze from taking undue liberty when viewing members of the opposite gender. In an era where staring at the physical attributes of the opposite gender has become a common norm, it needs a concerted effort to not let our eyes go astray. Like the trial of the heart, this too is a perpetual and unrelenting trial. The purpose of religion is inner purification and spiritual advancement. If we succeed in these two trials, we purify ourselves and become entitled to the eternal kingdom of God in the hereafter. So let us make a resolute effort every day to consciously strive to succeed in these two trials.